Okay, Saturday the 25th of August, and I'm going to just give you a quick look at what we're working on here today. I'll set up the camera on the tripod, and then some things may be hidden at that point, but I'll be working. I can't do anything about it. What we're going to do today, use this for a pointer I guess, remove this large hose which goes over to the water lift muffler. We'll remove this hose, which is the cooling water coming from the engine, the hot water coming from the engine going to the water-cooled elbow. And then we're going to try to remove the water-cooled elbow from the boat. The first thing we'll try to do is, well, we'll try a couple of different things. There's a couple of nuts on this exhaust flange. If those will come off easily, that whole assembly can come out and I can work on it out of the boat, which is preferable. If that doesn't want to come apart easily, then I'm going to have to try to attack this nipple right here, which has a big nut on the middle of it. And that's a very strange part because it has a right-hand thread on the bottom end and a left-hand thread on the top end. And it's made that way so the whole thing can unscrew without disassembling everything else. But whether it'll come apart easily or not, I don't know. I'll put some liquid wrench on it, let it sit, put a big wrench on it, and see what I get. And I'll probably do the same thing on those exhaust flange nuts on the engine, and whichever comes off most easily is what we'll take off. I'd love to leave the flange attached to the engine because I don't have to get a new gasket. Okay, so that's what we're doing. I'm going to set up the tripod, set up the camera, and get to work in there. So that's an overview. If you can't see something during the process, at least you know now.